On YouTube, this is me Zeeshan Hurmaz and back with another hot crypto project. Today I just want to talk about Space Falcon. I want to give you complete detail about this one project, and you know about that. I'm never miss those projects who have a more and more potential in upcoming time, and also I'm never those projects who are in listing. So right now, if you look to Space Falcon are just gets listed on KuCoin. So, but I want to give you complete points about this one project and what is the future of this one project. So I'll be clear everything. And before we start a small I just want to give you a small disclaimer. This is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and distribute most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project. And please make sure if you are new to channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the Zeeshan Hurmaz. And all the little link about some project you will be get in the video description. So let's start recording Space Falcon. Basically, I just want to give some important point about my channel. If you look to my channel, sometime I'm uploaded a general video like out of topics, but please ignore that because I'm just want to connect with the life. I just want to help to those people who have not able to do something in the future. So that's why I'm take those videos. So basically now I'm just going to talk about the Space Falcon. Basically, Space Falcon get listed on KuCoin world premiere. And if you look to this one listing right now, I just want to give you the complete schedule of this one project. Dear KuCoin user, KuCoin is extremely proud to announce yet another great project coming to our trading platform. Space Falcon FCON is a symbol of this one project. Will be available on KuCoin. Supported trading pair is for FCON or USDT. So means that if they are listed on KuCoin, after that you will be able to buy this one token with the pair of USDT easily. And please take note of the following schedule. Deposit effective immediately. Supported network is SPL, and trading will be alive on 12 means that 25 January on UTC time 12 and 2022, and withdrawal will be on 28 January on 10 UTC time. So basically, if you want to withdraw this one project from KuCoin to other exchange who are already list this one projects, so you will be able to withdraw this one project from 28 January easily. And right now I just want to go and just want to scroll down. You can see this is a main circulating supply, and this is an initial market cap, and this is the issue dates, and this is a consensus protocol, and this is a main circulating supply volume are high right now, and the issue price is 0.002. And cryptographic algorithm, you can see they just want to place the dash. And I just want to give some important about this one project. Intergalactic Solana-Based Metaverse featuring the classic specs shooter game and premier Sci-Fi NFT. So basically they just have a different type of NFT, and if you want to play this one game, you can also make a money from this one projects. I will be give you complete detail about this one to go to the website of this one project, but right now I just want to scroll down and I just want to go some important detail about the community. This is a main community of this one project. So you can see right over here the community is too much better. It is almost 173k followers. So means that community is too much more better. So that's why I'm recommending this one project. If you want to participate in that, you will be get a passive income from this one project and passive return from this one project. And how can you participate in that? So I will be show you. And right now I just want to go to CoinMarketCap. If you look to CoinMarketCap, you can see right over here they just want to give some important detail about that because they are striking the market right now, because of listing. You can see right over here they just want to on the listing time, so that's why they done everything. They hide everything right over here from the CoinMarketCap. But I just want to click on the main tags. If you look to the main tags, OAKEX block dream, future portfolio, launchpad, Solana ecosystem, player to earn, I already told about that. So I'm like this one point about this one project, player to earn. And after that I just want to give you some important detail about the white paper. If you want to study about the white paper, you will be directly understood that what can they done in the past and what will be the use cases in the future of this projects. You can simply study also about the white paper. So I am recommended you must go and study about that, because you will be understood and you will be get different type of important points about this project. But I am also give you complete detail about this project. So let's go to the main website of this project. So it is pretty good right now. You can see, if you look to the space, Falcon is too much important, and this is also a very interesting game. So right over here, if you look to currently note for update on the ID or follow our tweet of official Twitter and Medium, and be aware of scams. So basically I'm already told about this one points in many videos, because if you look, there's a too much scam right now. And if you want to study about this one project, so if you want to get latest notification from this one project, if you want to get some different type of announcement from this one project, if you want to get a different type of rewards, giveaways, and as well as airdrops, so you must be go through the main Twitter account and Medium account of this one project. You won't go to others scams projects. You don't go to other scams IDs. So I will place all the link in the description. So you must go there, and after that you will be able to go to the main website account, or Twitter account and Medium account. So you must go there, and after that you will be able to go to the not a scam projects. So this is all detail about the Twitter account. I hope you understand that. And after that, if you look to space, so right here, if you look to the user, there is a user, and this is a mint played. And if you look, if you want to participate in the Falcon FCON token launch, so one day, and however is 0 minutes is 49, and second, you can see right over here they just are going. And if you want to you participate in this, you simply click on that. After that, there's a different type of accounts. So I'm recommended you must go through the main solid, because they are work on solid account. So that's why I'm recommended that. And after that, if you look to the phantom is also too much, and it is very used to easy, but I'm looking for the solid, because solid is too much important for us. That's why, because they are already work on Solana blockchain, and this solid is too much important for us, because solid is also the main wallet of the Solana blockchain. So you will be easily to participate in that, and you will be easily to buy this one project from this one place. After that, I just want to scroll down, and if you look to, I just already told about that Intergalactic Metaverse featuring the classic space shooter game and premium CSI FI NFT from the Cosmos and Buoyant. So basically, I'm also told about that. If you want to play this one game, you will be make a different type. You will be on different type of NFTs, and I hope you understand what is NFTs. And if you don't know about that, you can also check out my second video. I already told about that. What is NFT? Basically, there's a different type of NFT. For example, if you look to the a simple gun, after that they just want to after some time playing this one game, you will be push your ranks. After that, the gun will be upgrade for you, and you will be take a classic guns, and they just want to add some material to these one guns. So this is just, they just want to upgrade you in this one game, and the upgradation give you more and more earning. So this is just detail about the NFT, how can you earn from here. And I'll tell you about that. This work on Solana and also Metaplex and Radian. So after that, I just want to looking for the main community of this one project. This is a main community of this one project. So you can see right over here. If you look to Twitter is almost 173k, and Telegram is 123k, and I don't know about but Medium is 5k, and Discord is 89k, and if you look to the main Telegram community is almost 156k. So means that if you look to the main community also do more matter on any projects. You know about that. If any coin, any project have a more and more comment, that means they have a more and more potential in upcoming time. So that's why I am recommended these one projects. After, I just want to scroll down and just want to play and give you some important review of this one project. You can see right over here. if you look to this one game is too much important for us, because the overview, the display, and the material who are using the games. And if you look to the main right over here, if you look to the main who are doing something new on Metaverse, so you can see right over here. I'm just wanted to wait for that, what can they done. So basically this project have a classic background, classic overview. If you want to play, you don't feel any boring in this one game. So that's why I'm recommended. You can see right over here, they just want to ready ourselves for playing and fighting for with others. So you can see right over here, they also want to create a best bike for us, and also they also cover our body on the iron body. They just want to change ourselves to iron body, and after that they just want to go to, and you can see there the different type of plans who are do fighting on that. So this is just simply I'm just looking and just wait for that, and you can see this is a Falcon, and they just want to do something fighting on that. So basically why I'm recommending this one project is not a boring project. This is not a boring game, and if you play others games, you must be play this one game. After that you will be also do earning, and you will be get a passive income from this one projects, and you will be do also entertainment. This is the last who are showing the main right over here. You can see I just want to click on that, and at the end of they just want to show the main NFT. If you look to join newsletter, so basically if you want to get a latest news from this one project, you simply place your email right over here, and after that you will be able to get latest news from this one side on your emails. After that, if you look to Falcon Metaverse checks virtual assist a stop further with the introduction of planets, spaceships, and galaxies. NFT for in-game item means player literally own and control what they buy on or craft. This goes by one having to prove the item's rarity. It's opened the door to infinity scalability. So basically this is a different type of equipment who are using this one games, and I just want to scroll down, and you can see right over here, this is too much classic game, and I'm also thinking about that. I just want to play this one game, because I also want to do something new. I also want to play some new games, so that's why I'm also thinking about that. You can see right over here, there's a pretty good, and I want to participate in this one game, and I want to play this one game. But I will be giving inshallah a second video overview of this one game, how can you play this one game. But right now you can see I'm just trying to scroll, and I don't want to give more and more. I just don't want to make the video long. So you can see right over here Falcon missions. Space Falcon has recreated the classic space shooter games in 3D to run in a browser with the incentivizes players by integrating blockchain reward system over various collection of customizable assists, make the gaming experience highly engaged. So basically if you want to play this one games, you simply click on that. After that it will be easily to play this one game. Please ignore the noise, because there's a still, so that's why they do something noise. Please ignore that. I just want to go, and I want to give you some important more detail about this project. So if you look to galaxy ownership, players will be able to own galaxies, planets, spaceship, and other extra terrestrial assist, which will be required at a later stage of the gameplay. Intergalactic assist will be tradables across in-game marketplace to further enhance their utilities. So why I am recommending this in project. You can see if you want to do if you want to spend your time in this one game, and you will be get different type of rewards from this one game. In the game you will be able to exchange all the NFT in this one game easily, so you don't do anymore to go to other places. So you will be easily sweep up all the things in this one game. So this is pretty good, yeah. And after that I just want to go to Falcon Metaground. Falcon craves gathered in the neutral planet called Metaground to socialize with others players and trade mission critical assist. So this is a different type of gun, you can see right over here. Wow, it's too much classic, and I'm just want to waste some time for that. You can see this is a simple overview of this one classics. And if you look to Falcon VR, fully immersive VR experience to take you on the thrilling adventures through galaxies. Player can interact with other players to build a battle for resources. But this is Q1 in 2022, and if you do that, so it means that we can see easily this one project almost from 0.002 to $12 easily. So that's why I'm recommended. And after that, I just want to go to token distribution, because I'm also looking for token distribution. Because if we look to token distribution, we can directly understood that how can they distribute the main supply of this one tokens. You can see total supply is almost 20 billion, and public sale is 0.002, and private sale is 0.0016, and initial market cap is 1.134 million. Initial supply is 540 millions, and diluted market is 40 millions. And visiting schedule is 0.005% at TGE 2 months cliff, and linear or 15 months. Private is 0.0016 10 months of TGE 1 month cliff, and linear or 12 month. And public is 0.002 100% on lock at TGE. And token sale is 15%, team is 16%, liquidity is 5%, community partnership is 19%, and advisor is 7%, rewards and real farming is 36%, and airdrop is 2%. After that, I just want to scroll down, and now this is the end of video, but I just want to clear some important things about this one project. I already mentioned in the main thumbnail, this project have a more and more potential, and it will be go up to x1000 easily from here. So if you look to, you can see right over here, this is a main NFT sale, main important for us. And after that, the token will be launched soon in just 1 day. And after that, I'm just looking for some important. This is too much important for this one project. And battle your royal mode, this is, and this is play to earn monetization, turn best. And I just want to scroll down, you can see right over here, this is some important for this one project, that's why I'm recommended. So I hope you understood what can I say about this one projects. After I just want to scroll down, this is a main team of this one project who are working on that. So it's too much pretty good. If you want to study about that, you can also check out the one by one, and you can also check out the Instagram accounts of this teams. And after that, just want to scroll down, and you can see this is some investors who are already done in that, do investing in that in this one project. And if you look to partnership is also done with this one main exchanges, wallets. And after that, if you look to media is also, they also do work on that and join new letters. I already told about that. If you want to get a latest notification from this one project on your email, so you simply press email right over here. After that, you will be easily to get different type of latest news from this one projects. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the Hurmaz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Thanks a lot.